is their love fading right in front of you. Love doesn't just disappear, it fades in silence before it's spoken aloud. When someone starts losing love for you, they won't say it outright, but their actions will reveal everything. The warmth turns cold, conversations feel forced, and their presence becomes more of an absence. You sense the shift, yet you hesitate, hoping it's temporary. But the truth is, love once lost rarely returns instead of clinging. A Stoic mindset teaches us to observe, accept, and move forward with strength. Before the goodbye comes, they will first do these 6 things by the end of this video. You'll not only recognize these signs, but also learn how to handle them with strength and dignity. Let's begin. 1, they become emotionally distant. Imagine this: you once had deep, meaningful conversations where even silence felt comfortable, but now their replies are short. Their laughter forced and their mind seems miles away. This is the first sign of love fading according to Stoicism. Emotions are fleeting, and attachment often blinds us to reality. Marcus Aurelius once said, "Accept the things to which fate binds you, and love the people with all your heart, but never let it hold you captive." When someone pulls away, don't chase. Observe. Love should be mutual. Not begged for. Emotional distance isn't just a change in behaviour, it's a silent confession of what's left unsaid. 2, they keep secrets from you. Love thrives in openness. But when someone starts keeping secrets, love begins to decay. It starts small, hiding their phone, vague answers, unexplained absences, and soon you feel like an outsider in your own relationship. The Stoics believed in self-control and honesty. Stoicism warned, we cannot control the actions of others, only our own reactions. If someone chooses secrecy over honesty, do not chase the truth. Let it reveal itself. The love that is built on trust will never make you question it, and the love that forces you to investigate was never true to begin with. 3, they stop prioritizing you. Do you remember when, in spite of their hectic schedules, they made time for you? Now, even replying to a text feels like an effort. They say they're busy, but the truth is, people make time for what matters. Seneca, a great Stoic philosopher, said, "Our time is the one thing we cannot recover. Spend it wisely." If someone consistently pushes you to the bottom of their list, don't beg for a place at the top. Love isn't about convenience, it's about effort, and if someone is no longer choosing you, maybe it's time to choose yourself instead. The right person won't make you wonder if you're a priority. You simply will be 4. They start picking fights over small things. At first, it was cute, the playful, teasing, the light-hearted disagreements. But now everything seems to turn into an argument. Why? Because the mind often creates conflict. When the heart is already halfway out the door, Stoic teaches us that people are not disturbed by things, but by the view they take of them. When someone's feelings change, they subconsciously look for reasons to justify their distance. Suddenly, your habits annoy them. Your words feel like an attack, and everything becomes a battle. But don't mistake their frustration as passion. Sometimes conflict is just a cover for fading love instead of engaging in endless fights. Take a step back. Observe if their love is slipping away. Arguing won't bring it back. Only acceptance will give you peace. 5, they stop sharing their life with you. Imagine this: you used to know everything. What they ate, their dreams, even the small details about their day. Now you find out things from social media. Before they tell you, they used to open up about their struggles, but now their answers are short. "I'm fine, nothing much." This isn't just a bad mood, it's emotional distancing. Stoicism teaches us to observe without attachment. When a person stops sharing their world with you, they are mentally detaching. They get farther away the more you pursue them. "Why won't they talk to me?" is not the question to ask. Ask yourself, Why am I holding on to someone who no longer values this connection? Epic. Titus once said, "Don't seek for things to happen as you wish, but wish for them to happen as they do if they are drifting. Let them, your peace matters more." 6. They get easily annoyed by you. Have you ever felt like everything you do suddenly irritates them the way you talk? The jokes you make, even your presence, before they found your quirks. Cute. Now they roll their eyes, they sigh in frustration. This is among the most blatant warning signs. When someone stops loving you, they stop tolerating things they once adored. Stoic philosophy reminds us, people change, and that change is not your fault. Seneca's quote suggests that if someone is annoyed by your existence, consider why you're staying where you're no longer appreciated. You don't need to fight for someone's love. Real love isn't a battlefield. If they're easily irritated, don't argue, observe, let them go, because the right person won't see you as an annoyance, they'll see you as home. I know it hurts if you're going through this. It's like losing a piece of yourself when you lose love. But here's what Stoicism teaches us. You are not what someone else feels about. Love shouldn't feel like a never-ending battle for acceptance. If you've noticed these signs, don't fight against them. Accept, reflect, and most importantly, choose yourself. Remember, the love you truly deserve will never require you to beg for it. Don't forget to subscribe, and share this video. If you found it insightful, stay strong, stay stoic. Thanks for watching.